Assalamu alaikum friends. Hello friends, hello everyone. Once again, welcome to Decor channel. Crochet lovers. So friends, how are you? I hope all will be may almighty. Keep you happy, keep your homes inhabited. And may you continue to enjoy like this, I mean. So friends, today I will share with you the very beautiful, amazing stylish crochet table runner crochet flowers covered designs ideas collection, beautiful patterns, beautiful designs, beautiful ideas, very amazing, different colorful crochet handmade hand knitted table runners cover designs ideas collection, very amazing different colorful ideas collection, different collection, flowers patterns designs ideas collection ideas. Before starting the video, I request all of you to subscribe my channel first, and also make sure to follow, be sure to follow, press the bell icon. You can see very beautiful and amazing designs. Show to people in it all the designs. That I am sharing with you today are all new designs brought to channel in the first time. You can also buy to the market about such designs. You can get many ideas from my videos. So friend, this video is very helpful and useful. So I will keep sharing similar designs with my dear friend daily, inshallah. Be sure to let us know in the comment box how you like our video. If you want to watch fashion any videos, don't miss any of the video on my channel. I will share with you some different designs. We will keep sharing with you in all kind of fashion related designs. Let's go, inshallah. We will meet again in the next video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.